How many flowers are there? 1, 2. And how many leaves are there? 1, 2. 2, 2. 2 and 2 are equal. Now if I put 3 leaves, three and 2. Should I put this equal to sign? No. Should I put greater than sign? No. Because 3 is more than 2. 2 flowers, 2 is less than 3. Let's count the leaves again. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And this side we have only 2 flowers. So 6 and 2. If we compare, what signs should I put here? 6 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 6. You can also reverse the action. First we can put the numbers here and show the child to identify or recognize. If he is able to recognize this number, he will say this is number 1, 2. So you can say that you put one object, count 1. This is 1 flower. 2. Ask the child to count and keep the objects. 1, 2. Then the child will again count. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. It is like draw values. For 4, we can keep 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, you can ask the child to count the objects and keep alongside the numbers. He can count the leaves. 1 to 10 you can also encourage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.